welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful Christmas look that I created back in December. I know it's February. I actually did not feel well during these 3 past months, so I'm putting it out now. I hope you guys don't mind. First color I'm going to be using is by the Saharan 2 palette, the Juvia's Place. It is this beautiful matte burgundy type of shade. I actually don't know how to pronounce the titles of each shades in this palette, so I'm just going to be describing the color for you. I'm going to be packing it in my crease and then I'm going to be blending it out. I also added a little bit of You're Kidding by the James Charles palette and a little bit of Fire by the 3502 palette by Morphe. Then I added the matte brown shade to deepen the crease up a tiny bit. And then I cut my crease. I only cut the inner, I guess, 1/2 of my eye. I just packed the concealer on. This is going to create a very sticky base for our next eyeshadow. And for the next eyeshadow, I'm taking this beautiful duochrome mint green eyeshadow. It is honestly the most stunning eyeshadow ever. The next thing I'm going to do is just use a little bit of what's left over on the blending brush and just blend all the colors together. Then I'm taking the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in the color Cherry Bomb. I'm just going to be lining my eyes, doing a simple cat wing. Once that's done, I'm going to be adding the NYX Glitter Primer as a base for our glitter. And the glitter that I'm going to be using today is the Certified Glitter Pigment in the color Red. This is going to add a beautiful sparkle to the look. I absolutely love using glitter for Christmas looks. Honestly, you can do this look for any time of the year. This is just the colors that I happen to use for Christmas. Switch up the colors so you don't necessarily have to use the same exact colors I do. Here I'm just adding some blush after I did my base makeup. Then I'm adding some highlight by BH Cosmetics Backlight Highlight Palette. I'm using the green shade in that palette. This palette is so good for highlight. I love it. To line my lips, I'm using the Shawnee Cosmetics Chunky Lip Pencil. And on top of that, I'm adding some Milani Cosmetics Metallic Liquid Lipstick in the color Madly in Love. And that is it for the finished look. I hope you all liked it. Don't forget to comment, rate, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you are aware of my next videos out. I'll see you guys next time.